Ever held back on your dreams because you're worried about what others might think? Maybe your family doesn't get it or your friends might judge you. Sound familiar? You stay in your comfort zone, avoiding disappointment, but years later you're left wondering, what if I had just gone for it? Living for others' approval can lead to a lifetime of regret. Fear of judgment is like an invisible prison, but guess what? You hold the key. Most people are too busy worrying about themselves to judge you. And even if they do, it only affects you if you let it. So, how do you break free? Here are three secrets to overcoming the fear of judgment and living life on your terms. Secret number one: people will judge you either way. Whether you chase your dreams or play it safe, someone will always have an opinion. So, why not give them something worth talking about? Secret number two: your loved ones care about you, but remember, they're not you. They might discourage your dreams out of fear, not disbelief. Just have an honest conversation with them about your vision and show them your progress. Regret hurts more than disapproval. Fast forward to the future and imagine not pursuing your dreams because of others' opinions. How does that feel? Choose the life you want to live, not the one that others expect. Remember, fear of judgment is normal, but it shouldn't control you. The people who truly care about you will support you, even if they don't understand at first. At the end of the day, you're the one who has to live with your choices. Just make sure that they're your choices. Don't let the fear of judgment hold you back from chasing your dreams. If you're ready to stop living for other people and start living for yourself, hit that subscribe button for more tips on overcoming fear and taking control of your future. Thanks for watching. Remember, it's your life. Live it without fear.